Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson number 20a, words with alif mad. What is alif mad? When alif comes after a fatha letter, it is called alif mad. For example, ma, ba, wa, fa. The alif in all of these is alif mad. Remember the three sets first. The thick letter ra, and thick and high qa, kha, gha, and very thick and high sa, da, ta, dha. When alif mad comes after these letters, it will have the same sifat as of these letters. For example, ra, the alif mad will be thick. Qa, kha, gha, the alif mad will be thick and high. Sa, da, ta, dha, the alif mad also will be very thick and high. Can you repeat once with actions? Ra, ra, qa, kha, gha, qa, kha, gha, sa, da, ta, dha, sa, da, ta, dha. Rest of the letters are thin and therefore alif mad also will be thin. Let us start with thin letters first. Repeat after me. Ma, ma, wama, wama, fama, fama, la, la, wala, wala, fala, fala, kana, kana. Now with thick letter ra. So repeat after me. We will split and join. So repeat after me. Ra, na, ra, na, rana, rana. So when you split and join, you will do TPI, and when you read the letter, you will not do the TPI. Let's take thick and high letters now. So split. Qa, la, qa, la, qala, qala, kha, fa, kha, fa, khafa, khafa, ba, la, gha, ba, la, gha, balagha, balagha. MashaAllah. Let's take very thick and high letters now. Ta, qa, ta, ta, qa, ta, taqata, taqata, a, sa, ka, a, sa, ka, asaka, asaka, ra, ma, da, na, ra, ma, da, na, ramadana, ramadana. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.